Looking to make money online quickly? Look no further. In this video, we have compiled the top strategies for earning fast cash on the internet. Whether you're looking to boost your current income or start a side hustle, these techniques are sure to help you accelerate your financial growth. From freelance gigs to online surveys, we'll cover various opportunities that can generate quick income. Explore the world of affiliate marketing and learn how to leverage it to your advantage. Discover effective ways to sell products or services online, maximizing your earning potential. Additionally, we'll discuss the power of content creation and how it can lead to promising monetization possibilities. Join us as we delve into the realm of making money online rapidly, providing you with actionable tips and insights. Our expert advice and proven strategies will guide you towards lucrative opportunities, ultimately helping you achieve your financial goals in no time. Remember, earning fast money online requires determination, focus, and consistency. So get ready to kickstart your journey towards financial success by implementing these top strategies today. For more informative videos on making money online and useful tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Are you looking to make money online fast? Look no further. In today's video, we will share with you the top strategies for quick earnings. So, grab a pen and paper because you don't want to miss out on these amazing opportunities. Strategy number 1, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to clients from around the world. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or translator, there's a high demand for freelancers. Simply sign up, create a profile, and start bidding on projects that match your abilities. It's a great way to make money on your own terms and without the hassle of a traditional job. Strategy number 2, online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer surveys that pay cash or gift cards. And the best part? You can do these surveys from the comfort of your own home whenever you have a few spare minutes. It's an easy way to put some extra cash in your pocket. Strategy number 3, affiliate marketing. If you have a website or a social media following, you can make money by promoting products or services. Join affiliate programs of reputable companies, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company. Strategy number 4, selling digital products. Do you have a talent for creating digital content? Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or stock photos, the internet is full of potential customers. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to set up your own online store and start selling your digital creations. Strategy number 5, online tutoring. If you have expertise in any subject, you can make money by tutoring students online. Websites like VIPKid and Tutor.com connect you with students from around the world who are looking for help. It's a rewarding way to share your knowledge and make some extra cash. So, there you have it, the top strategies for making money online fast. Remember, these opportunities require dedication and hard work, but with the right approach, you can start earning money in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips like these.